Hey everyone, today I'm gonna demonstrate my task 5.2c. In this task we gonna make our first GUI using Raspberry Pi, as you can see there. Let's dive into the setup. This is the setup we have to make to blink two LEDs. So we have connected the first jumper wire to pin 6 and then other two to pin 14 and 18. These are then connected to two LEDs and 1 ohm resistors. So this is the setup for making our first GUI. Let's dive into the code. So this is the code I've made. We are using TkInter, LED at number 14 and 18. This was the hardware part. These are the GUI definitions. We will be using font Georgia, size 6, LED toggle red, turn LED 1 on. This is the code. These are the widgets that we're gonna use in the LED toggler. And this is the widget for exit button. So let's run it and see is it working or not. This is the GUI, as you can see. Turn LED on, turn LED off, and exit. Turn on the LED. It turns on the LED. It's off. You can see it's off. Turn LED 2 on. It's on. And if we turn it off, all are off. That's it for today. See you again next time. Bye bye.